Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again, and I'm gonna start making videos in English because so many people cannot understand a single thing I say. So I've decided that I'll try to make videos in English as much as possible. And in this video we're gonna talk about some of the highest paying fields in UK. So what sort of subjects you can get into which will eventually turn up to be the highest paying fields. So the first field which we're going to talk about is medicine and dentistry. So the average salary for medicine and dentistry is almost £38,000 per year. But obviously not everybody is able to earn that much money. For example, a junior doctor earns up to around £23,000. But if you are gonna specialize yourself, for example, if you're going to be a cardiologist, psychiatrist, then your average salary will obviously increase, and it will be almost around £30,000. So over 90% of graduates of dentistry from UK tend to get their jobs in first 6 months of their graduation. According to the Office of National Statistics, the average salary of UK based medical professional will be around £69,000 a year, which makes this field one of the highest paying fields in UK. That's literally more than double the UK average salary. Makes this field in the top list of degrees, making highest paying field. So the second field which we're going to talk about is veterinary medicine. So the average salary of this field is around £35,330 per year. The financial rewards are very quick to arrive. Field has some of the high paying jobs. Qualified vets tend to earn around almost £35,000 a year, while time and experience in the field could earn up to around £70,000 a year. The third field which we're going to talk about is economics. So the average salary of an economic graduate is up to around £29,700 per year. Who would have thought that studying distribution and production of wealth would turn itself into wealth? Well, £29,000 as a starting salary is quite nice package to earn as a starting graduate. And surprisingly, economic graduates' prospects get better with time as well. And after 10 years of employment, they earn up to around £40,000, whereas some other graduates at the same time earn up to around £100,000 a year. The fourth field which we're going to talk about is general engineering. So the average salary of general engineering degree is up to around £29,000 a year, and degree in general engineering yields an average starting salary of up to around £29,000, whereas the total average salary of this career is up to around £47,000. But some jobs offer as much as around £75,000 as well. So fifth field which we're going to talk about is mathematics. So the average salary of a mathematician is around £28,000 a year. It's fitting that mathematics is part of our list, obviously, because everything is about numbers in it. Mathematics opens up a whole world of opportunities and fields such as finance, account, investments, data science, analytics, and plenty more. This subject has lots of high-paying jobs in terms of its different branches of the fields. But the average salary of somebody who studied mathematics as a graduate earned up to around £28,000 a year. Obviously depends upon which profession they are into. So the sixth field which we're going to talk about is physics and astronomy. That's right. It seems like such a strong field. The salary of physics and astronomy is around £28,000. Gaining insight into how the universe works is challenging but rewarding in the field of highest paying of jobs for the graduates. In the first 10 years on the job, physicists and astrophysicists earn around up to between £35,000 to £45,000 a year. Naturally, they'll take another hike after 20 years on the job, which will turn the salary around 50,000. If you head down the academic path, get a PhD and continue in the postdoctoral research, your starting salary can be anywhere between £28,000 £39,000. Senior researchers and university lecturers tend to earn up to around £60,000 a year. Field which we are going to talk about is computer science. The average salary of a computer science graduate is up to around £27,000 a year. Obviously, everybody knows that we use computers and technology in our everyday world, and it is quite common that the this field is gonna be the one of the helping field in the advancement of the world. So that's why getting a computer science degree is pretty good for the future in terms of job opportunities. So the eighth field which we're going to talk about, business and administration. The average starting salary of the business of this field is around £25,000. Managers obviously always make more money depending on the place you're working at. Getting an MBA or postgraduate degree in business and administration, you can now more or less guarantee that you're gonna get a high paying job, high paying salary. Obviously, if you get a job in the first place. You might get a little competition. Obviously, so many students tend to go for this course instead of any other courses I've mentioned in this list. But once you get a job and you manage to find a job, then you probably might be able to get quite a high paying salary. So the ninth field which we're going to talk about is architecture. The average salary of an architect is around £22,000 a year. Architecture is a field with a never ending scope of paying jobs. We always needed buildings and over structures and built in the past, and we will always need them in the future as well. So that's why I think this field is also in the list. So people, these were according to my research was the highest paying fields in UK. But obviously, if I did not mention any other field which you probably are aware of, then you can just drop down it in comments so that other people can read it and then go through it and research about it, probably if they are interested into getting the admission in the particular field. Let me know how you found out this video, and let's meet next time. I'll be back soon with another video. I hope this video was helpful for you all. For right now, namaskar.